This is me Arunima Sargam and welcome back to my channel. We all have that one common problem, that how to reuse your lehenga. Don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you 6 different ways to reuse your lehenga. So without any further chit chat, let's get into the video. This is my lehenga. I know you guys must be thinking that this looks like a long skirt. This is because I don't really like buying heavy lehengas, so I tend to buy this less embroidered or printed lehengas. But let me know if you guys want me to make a video on how to reuse your heavy lehengas, then please comment below. So for my first look, I have used this basic white t-shirt. You can wear this in 2 ways. Either you can tuck it in or you can tie a knot to make it crop. To complete the look, I have wore a pair of golden hoops, and for my footwear, I have wore a pair of white sneakers. For my second look, I have wore this plain white shirt. I think this look can be easily carried out at any small function. To complete the look, I have wore a pair of golden hoops and a collar necklace. My third look is kinda cute one. I have wore this mustard cami crop top, and for my accessories I have paired it with a silver hoop earring, and for my footwear I have wore a pair of stilettos. For my fourth look, I have paired it with a off-shoulder black bodysuit. What I really love about this bodysuit is the cutwork on the neck area. To complete the look, I have paired it with a black teardrop shape earring. For my fifth look, I am wearing this black mesh crop top, and underneath that I am wearing a black sports bra. My most favorite element from this whole look should be my necklace. Just have a look on the necklace, guys. It looks so damn pretty. For my last look, I have wore this green off-shoulder crop top, and to complete my look, I have paired it with a silver hoop earring. You know what, guys? Hoops can really be a savior because hoops are so versatile and it goes with most of the attires.